So Samsung top loading washing machine. Okay, so we're gonna try and wash. Nothing's happening. Okay, you can do all kinds of stuff. Nothing. All right. So what's the issue here? Well, what I found, let's turn it off, turn it on, nada. Okay, tried all the other stuff, resetting and just whatnot. Okay, quick fix, get your washing machine and your load's done. What's happening sometimes is that the lock is not engaging. So you pull out the lock and move it around until you see that red lock light come on, right? So now I've got it out slightly. I just moved it around. I used a knife, pull it out, move it around till the red lock light came on. Right there, this one here. The one on the far left, the red lock light. Now I've got it out. I gently close it. Top with the red light on. Start. Now, when you're done, in order to turn it off, you need to push that lock mechanism back in. Then you can shut the machine off. And it may not turn off completely at the end because the lock is still out. It'll give you a DE error, but the cycle will complete. There you go, quick fix. I've been meaning to get a new lock, but I think I've had this like this for like a couple of months now. I'll eventually get around to buying a new lock and replacing it.